We nabbed this 72 Nova right out of California. That's where it was born and raised. It is a body off frame, 383 stroker, 5-speed, air conditioned, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. And on top of all that, it's really nice. The thing is clean and straight and fits right and functions right. This is a good one, folks. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find price tags on every car, including this one, along with a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. There's an L right in the VIN number. Is built in California, and that's where we bought the car. They've added the metal cowl hood. Everything's absolutely straight. It's a 2-stage PPG silver, Cortez silver paint, and it's looking really good. All straight, clean, real nice clean all the way to the bottom. Lines up nice, smooth, beautiful. Opens very easily, shuts real nice. I'm not seeing anything that I don't like about it. It's all straight, fits right, no bubbles, no bumps. I'm not seeing body work. All this is looking really good. The silver metal flake is all laid out evenly, and then the clear coat over it is wet looking. It's polished like glass. It's like a mirror. The reflection I'm seeing is like a mirror. All clean, straight, no issues, no cracking, no body work. All this is real nice. All lines up nice and square and flush. Doors don't drop at all. A lot of time these Novas, they'll be hitting up here. All nice, clean, excellent. Body and paint on this car, excellent. I never use the word perfect, but honestly, I really didn't see anything. Here's a couple little dimples when they sprayed it, they call it little fisheye. And actually, here's a little tiny chip in the paint too. So again, there are going to be some minor imperfections, but practically speaking, it's excellent. The bumper, the grill, SS, emblems, all that up there is sparkling and straight and looks like new. Same thing with the emblems and marker lights. The stainless trim is exceptionally nice. It's polished out like chrome. Windshield is new. The rubber around the vent windows are soft. Dual bow tie mirrors, both are new. The handles are new reproduction. There's little freckles in the chrome, so they were replaced, but they're not perfect. And they actually replaced all this anodized trim. A lot of times they leave that alone, but it's all new on this car. Back window, the trim is all shiny. It's a good original piece of glass, couple light scratches. Back here, it has the SS tail panel, lights. And check this out. Stainless steel exhaust tips coming right through the bumper. So you actually cut holes in the bumper. I think that's a cool touch. When I seen that right away, I liked it. 17-inch Boss wheels with some performance tires. You got the red Willwood calipers showing through them. It's got a nice stance. Good looking car. Now it's time we open it up, see what the inside's like. Okay, let's look inside the trunk. Well, as I suspected, the bottom of the trunk lid and the jamb is painted real nice. I just knew it would be because the rest of it's so nice. Weather strip is replaced. Now inside is perfectly solid metal. Is spatter painted with the gray spatter finish. Looks like someone had to come and do a little touch up here. You got plenty of options. You can just buy the rubber mat, be done with it. You can have this boxed and enclosed. But they did relocate the battery to the trunk. It's secured. Has a disconnect switch. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified as these cool cars are being posted. There's a Buy It Now button next to each car if you go to our website. If you see something you like, get it locked up. Door jambs are painted slick. The weather strips are replaced and fit nicely. The sill plates are new and shiny. Door panels look pristine. The armrests, the door panels are mint. They fit real nice. Dash area is just very nice, unabused. What in the world is this here? Oh, wiper delays, delayed wipers. Never seen one of those before. But all the plastic is real nice. upgraded with a vintage air heater control, so they're not the old cables that you have to struggle with. They're electric slides now. Modern stereo. Got a set of white face gauges and tachometer, a nice match set. All this is nice and clean. The metal's painted, the dash pad's new, the AC vents are neatly installed. There's some kick panel speakers built right in. Carpet's real nice, it's not even wrinkled. Got some nice mats. I'm sitting on a ProCar seat right now. Very nice, comfortable seat. Got a center console here with the cup holders, 5-speed Hurst shifter on the floor. These are reclining seats. They also flip forward so you can get in the back. Back's all reupholstered. The side panels, window cranks look brand new. Looking out the back window, everything looks tidy back there. The sail panels and headliner are really nice and tight, not wrinkled. Dome light works. Visors and mirror are in excellent shape. And then we have a new deluxe steering wheel. It's on a tilt column with some nice billet knobs. Even the emergency flasher knob's a billet matching knob. So yeah, really nice, tidy interior. Clean, tidy, straight, not wrinkled, fits right, comfortable. Really liking it. I heard all about this car before I even stepped foot in the studio here. Everyone was saying what a good car it was. Oh boy, 383 stroker motor. We have a dyno sheet. It was 440 something pounds, not pounds, 440 something horsepower. I got a whole list that will be posted on the website of everything that's in the motor. It does have a set of aluminum heads, aluminum intake, dual feed Holley carb, a brawler, a Holley brawler carb, electric choke, MSD ignition with a billet distributor. I like the black air cleaner and then the cast aluminum valve covers, tall valve covers. That's really cool. And then look at the long tube coated headers. Firewall's all made smooth. It's an all modern heat and AC system. Takes up a lot less space. Everything is clean and tidy. All the components look nice and clean. It's a modern one-wire alternator. To keep it running cool, it's a B-Cool aluminum radiator with a big electric fan, aluminum water pump. Has power steering, power brakes, new wiper motor, all the steering components, rag joints, that all looks new. Just a really nice, clean, tidy motor compartment, just like the interior we just looked at. Michael's going to take you for a drive. I bet it drives as good as it looks.
All right, everybody, we got a really nice 1972 Chevy Nova SS clone. This thing is hot. 383 stroker under the hood, making about 500 horsepower. Made it to the Tremec 5-speed manual trans. Going to be a lot of fun to drive this one. Really nice build on this car. Has not only a really exceptional motor under the hood, but the whole chassis has been, or the whole suspension has been redone in the front. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms, adjustable coil over shocks. It's just really nice. It's handling the bumps absolutely fantastic. Steering is really nice. You got the power steering, power brakes, got 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Big ones too. This is nice. All right, let's give her a ride and see what she's got. Oh, yeah. Definitely, you can feel all that power and then some. This is a really hot motor, big hot motor. in a nice looking little car. So absolutely no disappointments in the power category. Handles the bumps real nice, steering absolutely straight. I mean, they got this thing totally dialed in. Very nice car, again, with the suspension upgrades and everything. It's riding a lot more like a like a modern car, if you will. Super tight 383 stroker. I'm really liking this one. You can see how we took off a little bit there. I was just feathering the gas. That was sweet. Turn signal lights up. Appears all the gauges are working. And yeah, great car all the way around. Lots of fun.
I really enjoy doing the videos on the cars that I'm super proud of, and this is one of them. Body was off the frame. It's just a subframe, but nonetheless, it was all removed. All the front end was rebuilt, steering, suspension, upgraded. It has tubular upper and lower control arms with coil-over adjustable shocks. All of it was put back together with new bushings. And then they've got frame connectors tying the front to the back, because this little Nova was not intended for 450 horsepower when it was new. So the frame connectors keep it from twisting. All the rear suspension looks brand new. The bushings, springs, hardware, upgraded with KYB gas shocks. Has a pretty fancy dual exhaust system. It has, I think it has an X-pipe, MagnaFlow mufflers that go right through the bumper, which I already had shown you. Also has exhaust cutouts. There's a switch in there. You want to open it up right off the headers and really wake up the neighbors. It'll do that too. The brakes, again, well, it's red calipers in front. They're black in the back, but they're drilled and slotted disc at all four corners. The e-brake assembly is custom. It's all hooked up. You look up at the motor. It's spotless, extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. It is a 5-speed, yeah, it's a 5 or a 6. 5-speed Tremec transmission in there. That looks fresh. 342 posi rear end. The fuel system's all replaced. It's the original floors under this car. They're not patched or replaced. It's all original metal. All this metal is painted a smooth semi-gloss finish. It's so neat and tidy under the car. Only about 1,000 miles have been put on this car since it's been completely rebuilt. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the salesman that help answer your questions, like how to get this to your door, how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.